Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If you are not, welcome back. So for today, I have two of my Boxy charm boxes. I have the regular, which retails for $25, and the premium, which retails for $35. And this month they are different sizes. So last month they came in the same size box. This month they're a little bit different. And I do like that this month they actually came delivered at the same time. Last month I waited a couple of days or maybe even a week between the two deliveries. So I feel like I got this one pretty quickly. These both came in today, I believe, if not yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. So mid-month, usually I get them pretty late, so that's exciting. So I'm gonna first start off with the regular box, which again retails for $25. And this month, the theme is sunshine, really cute. And there are 5 full-size items. Wow, it's like the universe read my mind because I was just saying how I needed beauty blenders. Like mine is looking, this is really embarrassing, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway, but mine is looking super raggedy, as you guys can see. And I did just use it, so that is why it's dirty. And this is from the Cream Shop, and it comes with 2 beauty blenders, and it retails for, let's see, $22. So that is item number 1. And item number 2, oh my goodness, this is the Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss in the limited edition packaging, which is super cute. And super exciting, I purchased the original lip gloss, so I'm not going to swatch it. I am going to go ahead and place this in the giveaway for you guys. So look forward to that. I'll go ahead and run and grab mine so I can swatch it. So this is the Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss in the regular packaging, and then this is the limited edition, which came in the box for Boxy Charm, obviously. And, ooh, I lost my sheet. This gloss retails for $15. Again, this is going in the giveaway, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch mine for you guys so you can see how beautiful it is. And that is the swatch right there. Really nice. Next up, from Studio Makeup, which is a brand that I am not familiar with, is the Endurance Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Gold, and it retails for $25. Wow, that is super expensive for a cream shadow, 25 bucks. That right there just covers the price of the box. Now this definitely isn't pigmented, like it doesn't really have a base, so this would be like a layering eyeshadow. As you can see, it's right there. So if you look at it in a certain light, it almost looks like it's not there, but then you tilt it and you can kind of see that gold reflect there. So really nice. It's very liquidy, so I'm assuming it goes on really liquidy and then dries. So we'll test that theory here in a bit. And again, that retailed for $25, which I feel is pretty expensive. And then for this one, we have the Clean Skin Club, which is a skincare brand that I'm not really familiar with. And this is their Vitamin C Brightening Booster with watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. That sounds really nice. And this retails for $50. And it says that it is a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This Vitamin C Brightening Booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin and protects against UV damage and helps reduce eventual signs of aging, which is all I need because I'm getting close to 30, y'all. So that's really nice. And it says that you can use it as a booster or as a serum. As a booster, it says mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. Can be applied morning and evening. And then if you want to do it just as a serum, you apply 3 drops directly to the face and neck after cleansing. So that sounds amazing. I just actually ran out of my serum, so perfect timing. Wow, the packaging is absolutely stunning. As you can see, it is a like ombre glass bottle with a dropper. And then last but certainly not least, we have the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. And it comes with 4 bronzer shades. This is what they look like. Really nice. I have quite a few bronzers, so I don't know that I will dig into this right away. I feel like I'd probably get the most use out of these 2, although this one right here looks really red tone, which I'm not a super fan of, but does look all right. Doesn't look too bad. And this retails for, let me look at my sheet here, $30. So really nice. Again, like I said, I do have quite a few bronzers, but bronzer is probably one of the things that I rotate out the most, so definitely will get used. And that was for the premium, I'm sorry, that was for the regular box. So let's tally all of that up and see what that total is. So you have the $50 for the serum, the $25 for the liquid shadow, $30 for the bronzer palette, $15 for the Alamar birthday suit gloss, and $22 for the 2 beauty blenders, which brings the box total to $142. And then the cost of the box is $25, so you save $117, which is amazing. Moving on to the premium box. I think the premium box is my favorite as far as like packaging goes because it's blue, and I love blue. My favorite color is blue. So anyway, moving on to the premium box. Obviously, the same theme as you can see here. And let's open this bad boy up. So first thing I see is this Fully Fire Expensive Habit. Let's see what this is. Fully Fire. Oh, it's Folly Fire. I thought it said Fully Fire, but it says Folly Fire. And this is, oh, they're cream matte lipsticks. And the matte, it's called the Matte Manipulation Trio. And this retails for $40. Holy crap. So these shades are all like red tones. So you have like a red one in the middle, and then like a dark brown, and then kind of a light brown here. I don't know if I'm going to keep any of these or give these away. The packaging is really pretty, so it looks like you have the logo there. I don't know if you guys can see that at all. Probably not. But this is one shade here. This is definitely like a dark burgundy shade. I really want to swatch these, but I don't know if I'm going to keep them or give them away to one of you guys. So for right now, I'm just going to kind of show you the bullets. Oh, and that first one was the shade Full House, which again is like almost like a blood red, but darker. That was a mouthful. This is the shade Here to Slay, and this is more of like a true like blue tone kind of red, as you guys can see. And then the last shade in this trio is called Sunset Boulevard, which is more of like a pinky color. Okay, so this Sunset Boulevard, I'm gonna put in the giveaway for one of you guys because I feel like it's just a little too pinky for me. And then I think I'm also going to throw in the Here to Slay in the giveaway. Here to Slay is that kind of red. It says like a true red with a blue undertone, so the second shade that I showed. Reds aren't really my color, so I'd rather give it away to one of you guys since I feel like one of you guys would appreciate it a little bit more. So those two will go in the giveaway, and I will keep Full House, which was the darkest one in the box. I'm sorry, in the trio. Ooh, next up from Saturday Skin is this Pore Clarifying Toner. I did just purchase a toner. Not just purchased, but I did purchase the toner not too long ago, but I have heard really good things about Saturday Skin, so I'm really, really excited to try this. This retails for $30. For some reason, I thought that Saturday Skin was more on the expensive side because you are getting so much product, and this is a glass bottle. Like, the packaging is absolutely stunning, and it is a glass bottle. And then obviously the top there. And this is the Pore Clarifying Toner. This Pore Clarifying Toner helps to smooth and refine skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. The Pore Control Complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve the look of balanced, clear skin, which is amazing because I do have pretty large pores. So I am really excited to try that out. Next up, this is called the Cuccio. I'm probably butchering that, but the Cuccio Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. It retails for $18, and this is what it looks like here. I am not one, like, I go and get my nails done, and when I go and get my nails done, I do the bare minimum, as in, like, sometimes I have them not even cut my cuticles. I know that sounds really, really weird, but I'm not really big on like at-home cuticle stuff. But it says that this is a unique natural hydrating complex of rich, lightweight oils with extra antioxidant benefits from vitamin E that absorb completely to nourish the cuticles and skin. The milk soothes and softens the skin, while honey is a natural humectant. Don't know what that means, or if I'm even pronouncing it right, to keep the skin moisturized. So I don't know. I think I'm going to keep this and give it a try just because I know cuticle oil can be really good for like the skin around your nails as well. I mean, obviously the cuticle is the skin around your nails, but as far as like keeping my hands not as dry. So I'm going to hang on to that, and that retails for $18, and you do get, how many ounces? 2.5 fluid ounces. Oh, and in the Saturday Skin, it's almost 4.22 ounces, so really, really good amount of product in that. That was definitely a happy surprise for me. And then from Laura Geller, I know Laura Geller is found a lot at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and things like that, but this is the Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner, and it retails for $24. And because it's dual-ended, the two shades that it comes with is black and navy, and man, is she thick. This is a very thick packaging. Oh wow, these are very, very thick. But here is the liner. It looks, it is a felt tip. Yeah, it is a felt tip liner there, as you can see. And then I will swatch the navy side. Oh wow, the navy side is a crown. Can you guys see that? That is very, very interesting. So this is the navy here, and this is the black. You can see that the black does kind of bleed a little bit. So that's interesting. Plus it is a very, very fat tip, so I don't know how much use I will get out of this. But I do like the color of the blue, but I do already have two blue eyeliners. So yeah, not sure how I feel about that. And that retails again for $24. Next up from Kenya Antivoras Beauty. This is the Set and Define kit, and the packaging is kind of like a mock croc kind of texture, and this retails for $42. Wow. Okay, so here we have a mattifying powder, which is very, very white. I have dry skin, so I don't know how much use I would get out of this mattifying powder. And then a setting powder, which is kind of like a banana shade. This shade looks to be like a oh yeah, it is a highlight. So very, very nice highlight here. I'll swatch it. So that is the highlight color down here. Really, really nice, actually. And then you get 3 bronzers, 1 contour, 1 dark contour, and then 1 like bronzer. I like contour and bronze. Like I don't do one and then the other. I don't really see the purpose in that. So I would probably just use these 2 colors here just because I feel like this one's a little bit light for me at the moment. So, I mean, I feel like I will use this palette. There is no mirror. I feel like I will use this palette. It's just kind of like in rotation. And I've never heard of Kenya Antivoras Beauty, so excited to try that. And then last, but certainly not least, from Morphe, we have the Morphe X Manny MUA Glam Palette. This was their latest collab that they did. I absolutely adore the marbled kind of packaging here. It's really, really pretty. And this is also a face palette / eyeshadow palette, so you have a really nice size mirror on that side. And then this is what the palette looks like. You get 2 highlighters and then 12 shades, which is really nice. And it's a very neutral palette. You do have this really nice duochrome kind of color at the bottom, which is really, really nice. I don't know if you can see that there, but there are 4 kind of shimmery colors, and then the rest are mattes. So you are getting 8 mattes, and they're all very neutral, but you do have like your pop of color, like this kind of maroonish color here, this kind of peachy pink here. So really, really nice. And that color, that duochrome color, swatched beautifully, which is that color right there. So really nice. Of course, Manny MUA does have his own cosmetic makeup line called Lunar Beauty. I have never tried any of his eyeshadows, although I feel like they would probably be better quality than Morphe. Morphe has a really good formula for the price, so if you're familiar with Morphe shadows, I'm sure these would perform just as nicely. I do feel like the palette is a bit large, but you are getting quite a bit of product, which is really nice, and really travel friendly. So I will say that I am really, really happy with both boxes. I feel like the only thing in the premium box that I'm kind of meh about was the Folly Fire matte lipstick trio, only because they're in the kind of reddish realm of shades, which are typically not my favorite, so that's why 2 of them will be going in the giveaway. And then also the Laura Geller Line and Define Duo Eyeliner. Also not really a fan of that really thick kind of felt tip. As far as the total for the premium box, let me just add up the total of everything for you guys. Morphe X MUA, Manny MUA eyeshadow and face palette is $20. Then the Saturday Skin Pore Refining Toner is $30. The matte trio of lipsticks was $40, which is so strange to me. The Kenya Ontiveros Beauty, this face palette, is $42, which is also very expensive. And then the cuticle oil is $18. So the total of this box comes to $150, and the price of this box is $35. So you're saving $115 with the premium box. To be honest, I feel like just this month, the regular BoxyCharm box for $25, you're getting a better value, and the products in that box are also really, really good. So that box wins, just in my opinion. Although I do like everything, like this month, both boxes really, really nice. BoxyCharm I feel like was kind of falling off for me, and I didn't really think that it was really worth the money. But this month, both of the boxes I think are really nice. I feel like most of the stuff I will use, not everything I might like, but at least I'll use it, which is really nice. And obviously I'm going to be putting the Alamar Birthday Suit lip gloss and the two matte lipsticks from the Folly line into the giveaway. So stay tuned, and that video has already been posted. So I will link that in the cards above and also link it down below if you do want to enter. It is still open, and it is open internationally. So be sure to be subscribed for that. And yeah, I will say I'm very happy with both boxes. Of course, you can't please everyone, so I'm sure some people are more excited than others. But yeah, I think that the regular BoxyCharm box for me this month was the winner. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you have not already, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my YouTube family here. I post all kinds of content except for somewhat luxury, just because obviously as much as I love luxury, it's not something that I would like to spend my money on at the moment. But either way, I do makeup videos, clothing hauls, and hopefully soon travel vlogs. I do leave for Mexico tomorrow, yay! So you are seeing pre-filmed videos, but I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and until next time, thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.